Hello, today I want to show you how to make a boiling witch's pot, which I think is super cute. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add a big foam block, and I'm just recycling this one. So we're going to put that in the bottom of the witch's pot. And then we're going to take the legs, and I think I got these up my clothes. I think you can find them about anywhere. And then a package of Christmas ornaments in black. And then I got a package of glittered ornaments. And I'm just positioning those however. Now, if you want to have a more permanent alternative, you might want to take a floral stake and poke those in. And then I found this cute little hat, witch's hat, because remember, she's boiling. Place that in there. And then I took these are just floral picks, and I pulled them apart. And I'm just randomly sticking those in just wherever I think it looks good. There we go. And I for where they are too long, or if you want to poke them in the foam, you could, push them in a little harder. But I'm just randomly sticking them here and there. And there went one of my orange ones. And there you go. It's that easy. This is probably going to sit on the center of my island in my kitchen.